Know who plays more.
I can't see that. It's glaring. TV's...
Come on, push the button.
Hang on, that TV's glaring. I can't see.
Well, what were you doing that for?
I was gonna receive so I could sit there.
You can sit on my lap.
Tennis is nice because you don't have to swing very hard.
Who's blue?
Wait.
What was that little dance?
I don't have these.
Reagan, what was that dance, Reagan?
Don't worry about it.
She was dancing last night.
That's what I heard. Who was she dancing with? Grandpa was going to find out who that boy was she was dancing with, and then he's going to go talk to him.
30-40. Break point.
Come on, Ray. Come back. Oh.
Oh.
There you go.
Oh, game over. Hey, you play now, Queenie.
I'm not sure how to do this. Come on. Me.
I don't
You
know
don't
if I'm
get
going to
to
listen to her play this game.
Is that the brown person?
Here.
Because you have brown hair?
I'll play against her.
Well, this ought to be interesting. I better tape this.
For a second. You need to make it so it's not going to fly off her wrist again. It doesn't do any good if you don't have it tape enough.
So I'm the brown person right there?
No, nope. You're the blue. No, yeah, you're the brown person.
Go down to here. To
Just you're hitting the back button, Cassie.
number 2.
How?
Change. Go there. There you go.
Just hit okay.
Just hit okay. Yes. Then you want to go down here to best of 5. How do I do this?
I don't want best of 5. Best of 3 is good enough, isn't it?
No, that's not very many. Do what you want. Can I videotape?
How come it's not? There you go.
I'll stop.